We're back at the building. It's Tuesday the 27th, and they have the giant shear unit on the excavator now. They started on the building here about 20 minutes ago, and they're still saying that they'll be finished before the day is over. So they're making pretty good time. They started on the corner of Roberts and Maynard Street, and they've got a significant portion of the building taken down already. So just trying to see if he was going to try to pull down another section of the wall here, because it is fascinating to see this happen. That shear unit is able to shear through large steel beams in seconds. Oh, there, he just cut one into them right now. He's slowly and carefully picking the stuff out and putting it in a nice, neat pile over there for the metal recyclers to be able to get at it. The gentleman on the excavator, small world that it is, it actually turns out that I went to elementary school with him 30 years ago. So I haven't seen him in 25 years, but we grew up in the same area of rural Nova Scotia, went to the same elementary school. So he's obviously done well. That's a very, very piece of equipment that he's operating there now. I think there's only a few pieces of equipment like this in Atlantic Canada. He's reaching up. So I'm about 30 feet from the front of the building. It's about a 30-foot tall building, so I'm counting on the fact that he knows what he's doing and that he's not going to make the building fall over on top of me. So I'm sitting in my truck on the street right now watching this. It's amazing. There were a couple of cables in the building before that he was able to reach up way above his head, see them, and just snip them off, just as if you were doing it with a pair of scissors, cutting a piece of thread from right in front of you. Now, here's what I was kind of waiting for.